Hello my dear friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Binoy's Thoughts. Due to Israel-Iran war, there is chance for a correction in the stock market for next week. So the best strategy for the retail investors like us is just to hold all the fundamental stocks you have. Don't sell it because sometimes a correction will happen, your fundamental stocks will not correct. So it's not a proper thing to book profit. Sometime when you sell the stock, it will go up. So it's better strategy is to hold the stocks and don't enter into fresh stocks. Don't take any fresh positions. That's what we have to do as a retail investor. Today, I'm going to recommend another fundamental very good stocks which can able to give 40, 50 or 60, 70% return within 6 to 7 months. The name of the company is Premier Energies Limited. Among the renewable sector, especially in the solar module manufacturing companies, number one is Vare Energies that I already recommended, is my favorite stocks. The second company which was at par with Vare Energies is Premier Energies Limited. So why I recommend Premier Energies that there is recent news that there is a change of hands of shares on June 10th, last week, Tuesday. There is a block deal in which South Asia Growth Fund offloaded the 2.5 crore shares, their 5.6% stake in the company. They sold the shares for 2,629 crores. It's a very block deal has happened. In regular cases, this block deal, this change of hands, will given to the sellers for 10 to 15 or 20% return from the discount from the present price. So automatically that stock price will correct to that level where this block deal was happened. But in this case, Premier Energies case, there is only 1% discount from the current prices. When the share was trading at 1061, the South Asian Growth Fund offloaded the stake at the rate of 1052, only 10 rupees difference, that is 1%, merely 1%, less than 1% difference only. So there is nothing to worry, it's just a change of hands. And most interesting factor is that this shares goes into the hands of very reputed concerns funds. Just look the funds who bought this stake from South Asia Growth Fund. Goldman Sachs bought 1.73 lakhs shares, Morgan Stanley 18.5 lakh, Citigroup 12 lakh, Axis Mutual Fund 11 lakh, HDFC Life Insurance 2 lakh, Edelweiss 14 lakhs, ICICI Prudential 5 lakh, Motilal Oswal 2.3 lakh, Nomura Singapore 9.5 lakhs, Quantum Mutual Fund 4.75 lakhs. It's very interesting that, and apart from this, other funds like SBI Mutual Fund, 361 Asset Management, Bandhan Mutual Fund, HDFC Life Insurance, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, all has bought the stake in this sale on the part of South Asian Growth Fund. Actually, South Asian Growth Fund has allotted the stock at the time of IPO as an anchor investors. The period was over, so that time, that's the reason they offloaded some shares, which is not a matter. The South Asian Growth Fund, why they offloaded the stake, they had good profit, enough profit from the IPO level. But the most interesting factor is that this was bought by this type of firms, very reputed firms, at only 1% discount from the market prices. Apart from these funds, public sector pension investment fund brought 4 lakh stocks. Theleme India Master Fund brought 15 lakh shares. So very interesting factor. So this is the reason I recommended Premier Energy, because 1052 is the level these all funds buy this share. Now the share was traded at 1012 rupees. So just a common sense. Anyway, it will go to that level. Okay. And there's a lot of recommendations from this institution itself. They are ICICI Securities, after buying this, they enhance their target to 1360 rupees. But apart from this, the fundamentals of the company is very strong. There is a con call from the management of this Premier Energies 10 days before. It's very interesting and they are very confident about their businesses. They plans to double the solar capacity. They said that within 2 years they will double the capacity, not in 2 years, within 1 year. 12,500 capex plans, backward integrations, they are changing into battery storage and wafer manufacturing units also. And this company was sitting on a surplus cash. That's the most interesting thing. 2,000 crore cash is with their hand. So if they desire to expand their businesses, there is no need to take more debts. It's enough the 12,000 they have enough cash in their hand itself. So it's necessary they can take only small amount of debt from banks to execute these expansion plans. And interestingly, their management announced that they are entering into few ancillary businesses such as aluminum frames, solar inverters and battery manufacturing, and all these are related to solar itself. So they are not diverting the business to some other field which they are not known. They are in the businesses, they are well known, and they are entering into new businesses related to the solar industry itself. This is a very interesting fact, and for all this purpose they have enough cash and they will take only small amount of debt. And let us look the price 1011, year high is 1388 and year low is 774. So my target for Premier Energy is first target is 1300, second 1400, 1500 up to 1700 is my target. So and the best price to enter the Premier Energy 960. 960 there is a support, a great support for Premier Energy. I don't know whether it comes down to that level, but in this correction it may happen. So 960 is a some support, and if it breaks down it may come down, but anyway it had the potential to go to 1700 levels. And the upside also, the first resistance is near about 1146, second 1260 and third is year high of 1388. If it breaks its year high, it will go to 1700. P ratio is very low. Industrial P is 70. The P ratio of this company, Premier Energy, is only 48.67. EPS of 20.79, very good. Debt equity is very interesting. From 2.92 in 2024, it's reduced to 0.6 below 1. It was very interesting. In 2024, the company shows a revenue of only 3,143 crores, but in 2025, it shows a revenue of 6,580 crores. Net profit also in 2020, which is only 230 crores, it goes up to 936 crores in 2020. It's very, very interesting. Then the share capital company is only 45 crores, having a reserve of 2,777. Everything is very positive, and I am very much interested by seeing the holding portions. Promoters still holding 64.25%. That means the confidence of the management in this company. FIRs have holding 2.96. From 2.31, they increase the stake to 2.96. DAAs also from 7.96, they increase the stake to 8.66. Other funds who buy the stock from they enhance the stake from 15.89 to 18.26. Every FIR, DAs, everyone increase stake, and public shareholding comes down. That is also very interesting. They capture all the shares from the retail investors. So having a small equity capital and FIRs, DAs holding very high, it is quite interesting, the portion of the Premier Energy Limited. So overall picture of the Premier Energy is very interesting, fundamentally very good stock to hold your portfolio. So present price 1012, we can buy Premier Energy for target 1300 to 1700 level. Don't buy now, let's look the market condition. After the consolidation market, you can buy the shares. Okay. So as usual, I am not a civil registered analyst. So please have your own study before taking position in the company. If anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please pass my videos to your friends and relatives, like it and comment on my videos. Thank you very much.